Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. Tutorial number 5, Preview versus Recording Function. With this issue, we will introduce the preview mode and the recording function. When you open up pco.camware, an image from each attached and active camera is displayed. If not, click the View window to open up a new View window. To set up the correct adjustments for your experiment, you can start the preview mode. This will display a continuous stream of images in the view windows. By default, the preview mode is running in auto sequence trigger mode. You are able to adjust the exposure time or the delay once the preview mode is active. Other parameters, like the resolution or the readout speed, are only accessible when the camera is not armed, which means neither in preview nor in the recording mode. The preview mode requests one image after the other from your camera to be displayed within pco.camware. After each image is displayed, it is deleted and no longer accessible. When you activate the preview mode, the default configuration simply uses the active set for the image acquisition. Be aware, this is a special feature which links the preview mode to the so-called preview set. This feature can be activated with a right-click on the camera list window. This allows for an easy switching between two different settings, which is beneficial when your preview light situation is different from the light situation during the recording session. Once your setup is configured, you can record images. When pressing the record button, all active cameras start to acquire images based upon the recorder mode settings you have applied. If you operate a camera in sequence mode, the recording is automatically stopped after the maximum amount of images is acquired. When a streaming camera is connected, this amount of images corresponds to the memory you have allocated. This memory size can be configured within the Acquisition tab Memory Allocation dialog. If you selected the ring buffer, the camera will acquire images continuously without considering the size of your memory. The available memory is overwritten in a first-in, first-out manner. The green bar within the recorder window indicates the storage capacity and the write and overwrite cycle. Once the recording is stopped, the recently acquired images are available to be replayed and saved. Small thumbnails of the memory content are shown in the recorder bar. When a camera with internal memory is attached, the images are temporarily stored in the internal camera memory. If the attached model is a streaming camera, the data is stored in the RAM of the PC. Please be aware that the images need to be saved on your hard disk if you want to preserve them. Otherwise, the PC RAM or the internal camera memory is overwritten once a new sequence is recorded or pco.camware is closed. That's all about the preview and recording function. Thanks for watching.